Are you usually the last person to speak in a meeting? So the stats say women are usually the last people who speak in meetings at work. And I do not know if this is serving you, because also the stats say the people who speak early in the meetings, they consider to be confident, to be risk takers, to have leadership skills, things like that. So they are more recognized in the workplace because they are not afraid. So this video we're going to discuss how can you be one of those people who show up early in meetings, you raising your hand early in meetings. So here are the points that I want you to start considering, so that you are not the one who speak the last in meeting, who is not heard. When people are already tired, you are the one who's raising your hand. Okay. So here's the tip for be the first two people that speak early. Make sure that you're not the last one. So that's obviously number one, because you want to be seen as credible. So the longer you wait to speak in the meeting, and it really doesn't serve you. And also, the longer you wait in the meeting and not speak, someone else is going to raise your point, and they will get the credit and they will get the recognition, while all along you've already had this point. You wanted to say it, but maybe because you are afraid, you have not found your voice, then you keep quiet. And I mean, I used to be one of those people who just continue waiting. I don't know what I was waiting for. I was waiting for somebody to raise that point, or I don't know, but I would just not say anything in meetings. And it didn't serve me. It didn't work for me. I knew that I had all the answers and all these things. I mean, you would hear someone who is speaking about the same point that was in your head, but you didn't say anything that time. So I want you to be more proactive and just start speaking your mind more. And if you are here and you feel like you don't have a voice, you've got your own fears, confidence, things like that that are limiting you to speak up in meetings, please check the link in my bio, so that me and you, we can have coaching meeting to assist you to have a voice, to find your voice, and to find your confidence also in that workplace. Do that. So start working on yourself. So as I said, you should not be the last person speaking. You should position yourself to be one of the two people that speak early, or the third person who speak early in the meetings. And make sure also you don't only speak once. You position yourself to share something. It doesn't even have to be a original idea that you're going to share. Maybe the third time you speak or the second time, you can agree with somebody who already made a point. You can concur, you can comment, or you can acknowledge that they've made a brilliant point, or this could work because of this. So you can elaborate also more on that point, and tell your own view that this is how you see it. So you can expand and tag along on somebody's idea. You can also ask questions as well. You can ask questions, and so that you can be also maybe find some solution, tackle another angle of the discussion by you asking questions. You can also maybe, as I said, agree or disagree in other ways. So you can have a voice by tagging along in other people's ideas. So this assists you to be engaged in meetings. So you become more engaged, you become noticeable. People now understand that you add value because you speak, you use your voice to speak. I know that this is very difficult. I mean, it doesn't come easy for most people, especially when you have not been pushing yourself to speak up in meetings, but if this is your work, your inner work that you need to do, I'm happy to assist you. Check the link in my bio. We can do some work to assist you to be more credible, to be more much of a confident leader, and to let go of your fears. I will see you again on my next video. Please speak up in meetings. Don't forget to also subscribe, to push that notification button so that you can see more of these videos. I will see you all again on my next video, and thanks for watching.